Good evening, sir. Jai Swami Narayan. I'm Anirudh Kumar Verma, an 8th semester student, and I've been pursuing electrical engineering at Swami Narayan Institute of Technology. Our project is entitled as Healthy Wheels, and Pradyum, Hariom, and Parth are the other group members. This is the flow of presentation, and these are the contents which are included in this presentation. Now our project is an electrically operated vehicle which will be having a treadmill over it. Now the purpose of treadmill is to provide some of the health benefits. Now it is not possible for everyone to take out some of their times from their daily routine for exercising and gymming purposes. So our project will be targeting them. Also our project goes really well with the traditional wear such as saris, since it is not possible for a woman to wear a sari and ride a bicycle. So our project rectifies that as well. Also, since our project is completely battery operated, it works on electricity, so it will not be creating any kind of pollution. So it is clean. So these are the key features of our project. Now these are the references we have included from where we have selected our motor, from where we have bought our motor, from where we have the reference for this project and all that. The layout of the project will be including two wheels, also a handlebar. Of course, it will be having a motor which will drive the wheels, and of course it will be having a treadmill and rollers and belts, which are the key components of the treadmill. Moving on to the working of the vehicle, this external source here is the domestic supply, which is 220 volts 50 hertz. This battery is charged through this external source through a charger. Now this battery is connected to a motor, and motor is connected to the wheels through shaft. Now the manual movement here, it is the walking of the person over the treadmill. This walking triggers the speed controller. The motor driver here is the speed controller. The motor sensor here, it is a feedback element. It will monitor the speed of the wheels, and it will provide the signals to the speed controller. Now the accelerator here is for a relaxation purpose. Just in case if a person don't want to move or he's been tired, he could switch to accelerator, and through the accelerator he could move the vehicle without walking. This accelerator is for future purpose. Now I want Hariom to explain the further presentation. Thank you.
Hi, I am Hariom. Here are some components which we are using in our project. Our first component is motor. We are using 24 volt PMDC 3000 RPM motor of 0.3 to 0.5 horsepower. This motor will produce 0.7 Newton meter of torque. Our next component is battery. We are using 24 volt 15Ah lithium ion battery. It is chargeable. In case of damage, we also can replace it. The next component is brakes. Now we are using conventional braking system. If our budget is more, then we will use regenerative braking system. One thing we have to keep in the mind that when we are applying brakes, the power supply should be cut off.
Good evening, sir. Jai Swami Narayan. I'm Pradyum Singh Kushwa. I'm 8th semester student pursuing in electrical engineering at Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. In our project Healthy Wheels, we are gonna use some motor sensors and brake sensor for control purpose, and we also use such type of handlebars whose height will be adjusted accordingly as per the requirements, and we also kept in our mind to reduce the weight of our cycle, so we are gonna use very light weight of handlebars. And now the most important thing of our project is the treadmill belt, which is the center of attraction of our project. So here we are using the conveyor belt as a moving platform which was driven by an electric motor. We are gonna use PVC Rubbermaid belt for better convenience, and we too adjust the belt in that manner so the rider will smoothly walk or run on it. Now I want my colleague Parth to explain the further presentation. Thank you.
Jai Swaminarayan everyone, this side Parth Sharma. I am studying in Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. My disciplinary course is electrical engineering. I am right now in 8th semester. So our team has made a project named Healthy Wheels. As my fellow friends had already told you about the different aspect of our project, I would like to elaborate another aspects of our project, which are, so in our project we do have a operating panel. What this operating panel will consist, and this operating panel would have a speedometer, a battery indicator, a auto button. This is a new thing, I would tell you about this. And we have a gear. This is a purely optional thing. So this speedometer and a battery indicator is the basic thing that every e-vehicle has now, but this auto button is a new thing for us too. This auto button is mainly a transition between manual section to automation section. If you want to run your vehicle on a manual part, you can run manually without using this auto button. But if you want external help from your vehicle, you can get by this clipping of this auto button. This would turn on this acceleration of your vehicle, and you would get the external help for the vehicle. And if you want to run this vehicle easily, you can use this auto button. Right now for us, these two things are purely future scopic, because right now we are in trying stage, we are in a building stage, we are building some project that can run normally, that is cost efficient, that implies a cost cutting principle. So but we are so positive and we are so sure about this, putting this auto button in our project. This would change the course of our project. Now I would like to tell you about the future scope of our project, the beneficiary of our project, who would get the beneficiation for our project, which those are. So the first thing, we got the idea of building this project by inspiring from a treadmill. And what our project consists is, we had took a treadmill, we have made some arrangement of gears and chain drive, we added some things, and we got a treadmill bicycle or treadmill vehicle. So this is the basic principle of our project, that how we get landed on this treadmill bicycle or treadmill vehicle. Now the future scope, for the future scope, you can add a solar power in our project. You can make it more cost efficient, you can put some technology to make this project more better. The beneficiary of our projects are those who are working and those who are studying in a large infrastructure section, that can be beneficial from our project. The urban women's, the rural women's can be beneficiary from our project. The pedestrian who are living in a large city can use this project. The cops can use this project, the doctors can use this project. This project is so eco-friendly, this is so emission free, it runs on a no running cost, it has less maintenance, and this cycle is adaptable for every human being. So this project would definitely helpful in the future. And as you all know, e-vehicle is the future of our world. So this project is just another stone for us and another stone for everyone. And we have made some design, or we have thought that this project would look like this. So thank you for your time.